Students, how are you? Hope all you are fine. Yes. Student, today I will start Unit 2, Revision 1. Students, our first chapter is plants. Today we will learn about plants. Now let's get started. There are different types of plants. There are different types of plants. There are mainly two parts of plants. One, shoot, and second, root. Student, shoot. Shoot part that is above the ground and root parts that is below the ground. Students, in shoot there are leaf. In shoots there are leaf. Yes, flower. Yes, fruit. Look at this student. Look at this student. Stem. Yes. Students, now last. Open your book reader. SR1. Look at this difference. Leaf, flower, fruits, stem, root and root here. Students, these are shoot and this part is root. I hope you understand, students. Now ingredients for foods. So students, plants make their own food. कुछ समझ में आया? जब मम्मी आपकी कुछ खाना बनाती है तो उसमें कुछ ना कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज करती है, कुछ सामान अरेंज करती है ना सामान अरेंज। वैसे ही प्लांट्स यूज करते हैं। तो प्लांट्स के कौन कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं? लुक एट दिस पिक्चर। फर्स्ट इज वाटर। स्टूडेंट, वाटर इज ऑब्जर्व बाय रूट्स from soil. Water is absorbed by roots from soil. Second is chlorophyll, green colors present in leaf. Third is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide enters in leaf through stomata. And last is sunlight. Sunlight observed by leaf directly. Next page, SR2. Leaf. Students, now let's get start leaves. Students, different parts of leaves are, first is leaf packs. The packs. Second, look at these students. Stomata. Students, what is this? What is this? The leaf blade. This part is main vein and side vein. I hope you understand, students. It's clear? Students, I give you some question regarding this chapter. Now let's get started. Students, now it's time for your homework. Students, open your workbook WS1 is parts of plants and WS2 is puzzle and WS3 is parts of leaves. Do complete these pages. It's clear? Now let's get start. Question answer 4 regarding this chapter. First question is, what do we get from plants? What do we get from plants? Plants से हमें क्या क्या मिलता है? Do you know? Yes, you know. Plants give fruits, vegetables, flowers. Some plants are used for making medicines. Very good. And second question is, name the parts of plants. Yes, I know. आप जानते हो ना? Yes. Leaf, fruit, flower, stem, root and root here. Very good. Student, third question is, what is photosynthesis? Student, what is photosynthesis? Yes? Okay. Now I explain. This process of making food by plants are called photosynthesis. Repeat with me. The process of making food by plants is called photosynthesis. It's clear, students? Now next question is and last. What is the chlorophyll in a leaf? Chlorophyll leaf के अंदर क्या है? Yes, green color. Yeah, chlorophyll is the green color present in leaf. And last question is, what are the main ingredients for plants to make foods? मैंने बताया था मम्मा खाना बनाती है तो बहुत सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज करती है, तो प्लांट्स को क्या चाहिए? Yes, sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and water. I hope you understand, students. Open your notebook. Now, write down your question answer. Okay? Bye.